Feeling lost in the labyrinth of medical device regulations? Stressed about approvals and quality control? Thanks to the combination of excellent expert know-how and a distinctive hands-on mentality, BQS GmbH successfully shows you the way through complex challenges with professional solutions. From product conception to market, we're by your side, wielding our deep knowledge of ISO 13485, 21 CFR 820, ISO 14971, and even the FDA's demands. Need a quality management system overhaul? Struggling with risk assessment? We're the Risk Whisperers, identifying and taming potential hazards before they become monsters. But wait, there's more. We're also ace at validating and qualifying your equipment, making sure it's fit for the medical battlefield. Managing projects and changes with laser focus, keeping everything on track. Training your team to become quality champions. Interim quality management and expert support during audits. Proactive support with CAPA and supplier management, FMEA moderation and design transfers. Creating squeaky clean documentation that meets even the strictest regulations. Optimizing processes with Six Sigma precision. Squeezing out waste and boosting efficiency. Embrace the BQS advantage. Contact us today at bqs-gmbh.com.